Hi everyone, this is Brett with Bigfoot Food and Travel. Today I want to show you a room tour of the Wynn Resort King Bedroom. My 3-night stay at the Wynn was completely free by playing on the Wynn Slots app. There's a variety of games to choose from, including blackjack. While playing on the app, you earn gems. You want to redeem these gems for your free night stay. For the free night offer, you can choose between the Wynn Resort King or the Wynn Resort 2 double beds. This is the calendar that shows you the cost of gems for each night. Now let's take a look at the room. Here I was in 1757, that's the 17th floor, and I was in a strip view bedroom. The bedroom has a spacious entryway with a large mirror and a walk-in closet. The bathroom features a double vanity, oversized marble bath great for soaking, and a separate shower. The toilet is in its own separate room. The 640 square foot bedroom has a pillow-top dream bed with 507 thread count linens, a 55-inch flat-screen TV, floor-to-ceiling windows, a work desk, dining table, a mini bar, in-room safe, and a couch and ottoman. One of my favorite things about the bedroom was the stripped view. You can see the Palazzo, Treasure Island, the Mirage, and the High Roller. Now let me show you around downstairs. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more travel videos.